Social learning theory is the idea that people can learn new information and behaviors by watching other people. For example, Albert Bandura did a case study which displayed children repeating a behavior that they just watched an adult do. As you can see, the adults treated the Bobo doll violently, punching it, throwing it, and slamming it down. Then, after the children watched the adults, they went in the room and also were violent towards the Bobo doll. The children learned the behavior from the adults. The social learning theory can be seen through positive reinforcement. When you see someone receive an award for a behavior, you are more likely to practice that behavior. For example, there are two children in an elementary school. One child did their homework and the other child did not. The child who did their homework receives a sticker from the teacher. The other child did not. The next day, the other child did his homework because he wanted to receive a sticker too. Contingency management uses positive reinforcement to get an individual to practice an undesirable behavior. Contingency management states that in order for a person to receive a desirable behavior, he must first do something undesirable. For example, children must complete their math worksheet in order to go to recess. The children complete the math work because they know after they are done, they can go outside and play. Aversion therapy is a more harsh way to change behavior. Aversion therapy is a form of treatment that causes a patient to avoid an undesirable behavior because they were conditioned to associate that behavior with an undesirable stimulus. For example, someone who is trying to quit smoking. Every time the smoke detector goes off, it will shock them. Also, people can try and stop biting their nails. They soak their nails in lemon juice, so every time they go to bite their nails, it tastes bad, and they no longer want to bite them. Extinction is an example of aversion therapy. It's when a previously reinforced behavior is no longer reinforced, and eventually the behavior stops. One strategy of extinction is ignoring the stimulus. For example, if a baby is crying, let them cry for a while and don't give them attention. Another strategy is timeout.